Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Shiza Rashid from California, USA. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's start today's video. It's very natural daytime look. I hope you enjoy this look. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's start with the eyebrows. Let's start with the eyebrows. I use an eyebrow pomade to make the eyebrows. You can see that this is from Kiss brand. It's in a powder shape. It also has a stamp at the back. You can just take the stamps and stamp it and then use the pomade to outline and fill it in. I use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from a Rude brand. It has a beautiful natural color. I started from the outer corner as a transition shade. As you guys can see, I started from the outer corner and I started blending inward. So make sure take the fluffy brush. I brought same transition shade around the nose too, at the nose sides, to blend it well, to give it a shape. So as you can see, I use the lighter shade to do the outer transition first, in the outer corner of the eye and inner corner of the eye. And I brought same transition color on the side of the nose too, and I blended it together to give it a one look. After blending the lighter color, I took a darker color, and the darker color I started in the outer corner of the eye. As you guys can see, I started from the outer side of the eye and I started bringing it inside, inward of the eye. As you guys are seeing, I did not put any extra eyeshadow on the brush, same brush as I took it in the beginning, and I started bringing it towards inner corner of the eye. So I started it blending because I just don't want to leave it. So with a smaller circular motion, make sure you blend it well with the first transition shade. As you guys can see it, I blended it on the both sides of the eyes. The outer corner are little darker where I started it in the beginning, and then with the same brush I brought it towards the inner corner of the eye. After blending two colors together, I took the brown color, which is like dark brown color, to make the outer corner more pop. So I started applying at the outer corner but below the orange color to give it an other smooth transition shade, so it would be more blended look. So you guys can see outer corner, I want to make it little darker, so that's why I use the dark brown color. After blending it very well, you could see how it looks like. It looks like very blended eye look. All three shades are blended together very well. I decided to make it more darker, so I applied more brown or chocolatey color. So after applying the brown shade, I took the liquid eyeshadow, which is like light orange gold color, but because it was a silicone plate, so you guys can see how it in the corner it made a mark, but instead of dragging it, I should just tap it. So that's the mistake I did. Maybe you guys, when you do it, or when you do it on your own eye, so make sure you tap it instead of dragging it inward. So I did not clean it. I want to show it to you guys that how it looks like when you drag it, how it left the mark in the inner corner. And here you can see I try to blend the chocolate and the golden shade, metallic shade together, so it would not look too different or separate eye shade, so it would look more blended look. After applying the liquid shade, I decided to apply orange shade glitter. So I took this glitter and I just wanna pop it into the middle of the eye. So here it is. Please do comment in the comment box and let me know how did you like today's look. I know inner corner, as I mentioned, that I dragged the liquid eyeshadow, that's why it left a streak. But you know, when you do on your own eye, maybe you patting would be a good idea. So after applying the glitter, as you guys can see, it gave a little more pop. And here it is. Then I used the water eyeliner. It is a water based and I used it as a liner, as you guys can see. And I used a brush with it. Here is the liner. This is how it looks like. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It will be a great support from you for me. I hope you guys can recreate this look. If you do, please do comment and let me know how did it turn out. So here is the inner corner of the eye. After this, I use those lashes, and here is the final look. And here is the highlighter. I used Zoya brand highlighter. You can see how it gives a pop to the look. This is one of my favorite eye look. Hopefully you guys liked it too. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. With this, we'll see you next time in next video. Please keep in touch. Take care. See you next time.